Hi guys, Ty Backus checking in. It's Sunday the 24th of May. As you can see, it's a beautiful day here today at Hastings Seaside, Rocanore area. The temperature is around 24 degrees. Beautiful, warm. It's very nice here by the seaside. The air is cool and the sun is hot. Came down just to get some fresh air, enjoy this beautiful sunshine, enjoy the seaside, and of course looking out for Harry the seagull. As you can see, the beach, it's really busy, of course, on such a beautiful day, beautiful Sunday. And the gulls are around, as you can see over there. However, I guess because there's so many people around, they would not come around for their treats. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying the beautiful sunshine on this wonderful day. Maybe you're having a barbecue or in your garden, just enjoying time with the family. So, it's beautiful here, Hastings Seaside, historic Hastings, and it's a beautiful day today. So take care guys, best wishes, Ty Backus checking out, and bye for now, take care.